I'd like to talk a little bit about iFLOW's hybrid mode. So iFLOW has a hydronic coil built into the unit. So we are using a heat source to supply hot water into our hydronic coil, and then we pass the air across the hydronic coil and deliver it into your home. The hot water source can be gas-based or electric-based. It can be solar. Right? If you're getting solar thermal delivered from the roof, from your solar panels into a storage tank, it could be ground source heat pump. It could be a tank type water heater. It could be a tankless water heater. It could be a boiler. It could be a combi boiler. It could be a heat pump water heater. All kinds of varieties. So whatever your heat source is, we bring that hot water into the hydronic coil and deliver it through. So that's one method. So the water-based, let's say, or hot water source heating. But we can also use your heat pump. So now this is refrigerant-based. So we're using the efficiency of the heat pump with the refrigerant to deliver the heating now into the home. So an air conditioner would only deliver cooling to the evaporator coil, which we can work with as well, no problem. But we can also work equally well with a heat pump. And the advantage of the heat pump is that in the shoulder seasons, where you're not needing, let's say, maximum BTUs, or as long as the heat pump is able to keep up and maintain a decent COP, then we can use the heat pump to deliver the heating as well. So we've got a water source based, or we've got a refrigerant based. When we use both and combine them together, then we call it a hybrid system. On our hybrid system, we at iFLOW can calculate, or we deal with the automatic switching between the two sources. So we use our outdoor temperature sensor to tell us what the outdoor temperature is, and then based on that parameter and the parameter that you have set as the homeowner or as the contractor, we will switch between the hot water source or the heat pump. So for example, the default setting on our heat pump or the hybrid mode is 32 degrees or 0 Celsius. If the outdoor temperature is above that, then we'll run the heat pump for heating. If it's below that, then we'll run the hot water source. That can be fully adjustable down to minus 18 Celsius and on the upper end to 0 Celsius. So you have the full range of capability to switch over between the two heat sources. So that is iFLOW's hybrid mode.